Liberal pollster Nate Silver has sparked reactions with his recent projection of the upcoming U.S. presidential election. Silver predicts a 63.8% chance that the Republican candidate, Donald Trump, will win the Electoral College vote, compared to 36% for Vice President Kamala Harris. Published on his blog, Silver Bulletin, Silver's analysis places Trump ahead in all major swing states, estimating 312 electoral votes for Trump and 226 for Harris in a no-toss-up scenario. This would mark a significant increase from the 227 electoral votes Trump secured in the 2020 race against President Joe Biden, and an improvement on his 2016 win over Hillary Clinton, where he claimed 304 electoral votes. While Silver's projection gives Trump a strong lead in the Electoral College, Harris is still expected to lead in the popular vote, with her chances at 56% compared to Trump's 44%. However, the margins are slim, with Harris projected to earn 49.8% of the popular vote, narrowly ahead of Trump's 49.1%. Silver had previously predicted a Harris victory until August 29th following her CNN interview alongside running mate Tim Walz. Since then, Trump has gained momentum in Silver's modeling, which now favors Trump by the largest margin in recent months. A New York Times Siena College poll released 2 days before their debate has Trump leading Harris by 1%, 48% to 47%, within the poll's 3-point margin of error. Silver noted that there's potential for Harris's numbers to shift after the upcoming debate in Philadelphia, as a considerable percentage of voters in the Times poll said they were uncertain about her platform. Both candidates are set to face off in the debate, which could significantly impact the trajectory of the race.